What's going on, guys? It's DONNYSOFT. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to recognize the false breakouts in the financial market. So sit back, relax, and learn. Welcome back, guys. This is actually a very crucial topic in the financial market. False breakouts everywhere. It has led to so many losses in the financial market, and then it has given serious profit to the ones who know how to approach or who knows what to do whenever they see a false breakout. I'm going to start out by defining what a false breakout is. A false breakout is price bouncing off a support or resistance level over a period of time and then tends to push beyond that level and run back inside that level. Let's use a resistance now for an example. Price pushes beyond the resistance level, runs back down inside that resistance level, showing more like a weak or fake out on other time frames. Price never broke above that level. You use a line chart and then it continues towards the opposite direction, keeping those who were buying in a serious loss and then those who were selling in deep profits. And then in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to approach a false breakout. I'm going to be showing you guys what to do when you see a false breakout and how to identify one. So I'm going to be moving over to my recorded screen where I'm going to show you guys the important part of this video. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to give us an example or two on how to avoid false breakouts in the financial market, and then how to identify one, and then how to trade it if you actually want to trade it. So 3 things: how to identify a false breakout, how to avoid losses from a false breakout, and then how to make money from a false breakout if you actually want to trade it. This is actually my GBP right chart, and I'm going to look for a concrete example where we had a false breakout, and I think I found one here. So I'm going to use the replay mode, send us back to where it happened, so we're not going to be confused. And I think here we had a resistance level here, we had a support level here. Remember I said the false breakout happens when there is an already existing resistance and support level where price has been bouncing off and on over a period of time, and then a breakout occurs. But it happens to be that the breakout is actually false. That means for it to be false, there's a true picture to that breakout. So let's go over to the 15-minute time frame and look at what it looks like there. As we all can see, price actually acted like it has broken off this resistance level here, and then price was willing to start buying on the retail. People made up with some buy orders here, and then price took them down by 50 something pips, and then they lost money. First of all, to identify a false breakout, I would always advise you go to the bigger time frames to ensure that price actually closed above that level. Sometimes hourly time frames will help you, reduce the whole stress. Like I'm using the 3-hour time frame here, and we can see that price didn't break above there. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Look at my cursor. These are all weeks. That's rule number 1. Use the bigger time frames to identify these false breakouts. Now, number 2, what I normally do, I try to use the line charts too. And as you can see on the line chart, price is still on that resistance level. Price has not made any form of breakout. You understand? So you don't want to lose money to a false breakout anymore. Rather, you want to identify a false breakout and laugh and smile and or say, oh, I know this in the market. You understand? And that's what I'm actually here for. Sorry, excuse me. Going to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see I've showed you guys how to identify a false breakout. You understand? Firstly, bigger time frame, you see that price is not going to close outside that level. That way you know that price is going to run back inside. And then using the line chart, you can also understand. So it's more of candle closures, the line chart, and then the bigger time frames majorly. So if you want to trade it, come over to that level, false breakout point. You see price bounce there, bounce, and then price broke above it, and it looked like price was going to buy, but before we would say Jack Robinson, price ran back inside that level and then made up with a retest, and you want to trade it. I'll always advise you engage after the retest. Be sure price has broken inside that level, and then you engage your trade. Nice risk reward. I think that should be about 10 pips stop loss, and then about 50 pips take profit, and you actually started making money off. You actually started making money off. Sorry, excuse me, my phone rang. Off a breakout. You understand? So that's actually how I do it. And this is actually a quick lesson. So we'll run over to EuroJPY chart. Let's see if I can find another example there. Okay, I've been able to find another example on EuroJPY chart, and I'm going to use the replay mode so can go back to where this happened. Okay, so I'm sure by now you guys have already seen that I was about to use this level. This actually happened last week. So this is 1 hour time frame. We're going to spot this support level, and then you already have the resistance level. So going over the 15 minutes time frame, we can see price actually had here as a support. I think somewhere around here is where we had the support. You understand? So price was bouncing off this level, and all of a sudden it was a breakout. So you have to, first of all, be chill, be at rest. Try to understand if it's actually a breakout, and then wait for bigger time frames to close. You understand? How I actually caught this breakout, I used the 90 minutes time frame, and I saw there was no breakout. Price ran down, and before we know, price ran back up again, closed inside that level. Switching over to the line chart, nothing happened here. Understand? There was no breakout, nothing happened here. So what do you do in situations like this? Go to the 5 minutes time frame. It's simple. It will always be a retest. Most of the time, price will give you a retest, and it's always good to confirm price has run back inside that level. So as you can all see here, bounce, and then price ran out of the level, ran back inside, and then on the retest, we're going long again. And this is how to make the most from a breakout level, a false breakout level. This is how to make the most. So you can see that was like very few pips stop loss, and then about 50 something pips take profit, and then making so much money. I think about 10 pips stop loss if I want to be honest. You understand? So that's how I handle the false breakout in the financial market. And I think with these two examples, we now understand what I'm talking about. Firstly, you identify a false breakout by candle closures. You want to check the bigger time frame to see if the candles have actually closed above or below the level you're actually working with. And then secondly, it has to be the bigger time frame. You understand? Thirdly, you can always switch to your line charts to confirm if price has actually broken these levels or not. And then fourthly, you want to make money out of it. Let's say you don't want to avoid it, like you want to take the risk. You understand? You can always switch over to the smaller time frames to see some kind of closures and retest, and that closures must conform with the bigger time frames as well. You understand? And then it's easy to come by the profits whenever you see a false breakout. So with this, whenever you see a false breakout, you shouldn't be scared anymore, and you shouldn't even lose money to a false breakout. Rather, just fold your arms until you've practiced it and you've perfected it to a point or to a fault where you're very, very confident in yourself to approach any false breakout out there. Hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Cheers.